Welcome to Hacienda del Sol Guest Ranch Resort. This is one of the best hotels or resorts rather in Tucson, Arizona. One of my favorite parts is the bathroom. I'm talking the place where you can unwind, undress, take a shower, take a poop, brush your teeth, and get your makeup done if you're into that kind of thing. I want to show you these beautiful, nice, rustic designs. These are very colorful. It has a lot of culture in these. They have a lot of Latin influences. This is my beautiful vanity set. I already have my things pretty much all laid out for myself. I want to cut right to the shower. This shower is very powerful. You know, it's very spacious, and I like the outdoor kind of feel. There's a little seat on the bottom that makes you want to sit down if you get too hot. Let me tell you, this is the best part. My favorite part is this robe right here. I just put this baby on, and because I use it so much, they just have it hung up here for me, which I love. And they have two beautiful pockets that I really could just put my key card in one and my phone in the next. We have the toilet, which is a nice small space. I love it. It's straight to the point. I love the door that you can see. You call this kind of wood kind of thing going on. It's basically a nice wood chamber. Now I want to cut straight to the best part, your bedroom space. Yep, let me tell you, this is it. Let me tell you here. This is the bed, the big comfy bed. I love this bed. This bed is cozy, it is cute, it is luxurious, it is soft. I get great sleep on this bed. I got 2 night posts, which is perfect. I even put my things in the jar, which I won't show you because, you know, I just won't show you. But I put things in the jar. Then, when I feel like it, I kick back and go to entertainment. I go straight to the TV. If I want coffee or tea, I pull this baby out right here, and I just pop a cup. Boom, 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 boom. Coffee or tea. Sometimes I like to write, as you know. I sit down right here, and I just write away, read away maybe if I want, and eat away. Obviously you can see my pizza rolls there. And this is another very, I can't say it's a soft gem, but it's definitely a gem. I like to just sit here and relax like this. When you are in a club, all eyes on me, all eyes on me, all eyes on me. It's just really cozy here. I love this place. Catalina Hills is a place where you definitely feel the relaxation that you're looking for. I don't know if you saw my other previous video, which is a very good video because it shows you the entire hotel. But this room, this is one of the best rooms I've ever stayed at in a hotel. I do feel relaxed. I feel peace. I feel joy. I feel like I can have a clear mind to think. And that's what I'm doing when I come to the mountains, especially in Tucson. Why do you come to Tucson? To run up and down. I don't want to feel the Tucson vibes. I want to feel peace. I want to feel like at home. But if you do want to go for a luxurious, nice, romantic place, I recommend this resort. Come on down to this resort. Let's pop up. I got so many favorites, but this view in the morning is amazing. I'm gonna show you a time lapse. When I wake up in the morning, it's just wow. And even in the evening, I can just see this place right here, and I can see the mountains. The mountains make me feel like I'm right there. All in all, come to Hacienda del Sol. This hotel is my favorite so far in Tucson. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys. Thank you. Bye.